Bring it here, bring it here. Let me validate.
Hello, welcome. This is Eternity, and we are gonna be making some toothpaste today. Yes. All vegan, all natural, no weird chemicals, just some good stuff. So, welcome. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you use this, cause it's gonna fix your dirty mouth. All right. Here are the ingredients that I'll be using today. 100% food grade diatomaceous earth, xylitol, bowl, that's not an ingredient, but orange essential oil, that's just for flavor, peppermint, basically, I just say I use it for like bad breath, good breath, make it nice. This is coconut oil, extra virgin, yes. And organic, that is for pulling out all the toxins. And also kind of like make it like a nice solution. Activated charcoal. No. That's for, it gets out heavy metals, along with the diatomaceous earth. And the baby, the wonderful, magnificent oregano oil. That gets out anything you want. That's just God's gift of herbs besides marijuana. All right. And the xylitol, that repairs your teeth and your bone minerals. This is made out of mostly silica, diatomaceous earth, and that repairs bones, whole bunch of stuff, and it's good for you. All right, so the instrument I'll be using is 1 tablespoon, and I'll be dealing with parts. And I'm just gonna give you a little bit of some benefits for each one. And let's start out with diatomaceous earth. So that helps build strong teeth, bones, and joints. And it helps fight parasites in your body and even pests. It kills parasites, it kills insects. So you could use that in your garden. And I think that was one of the main purposes of it. It's actually basically a silica, like plant-based, from algae. It cleans and protects the skin and nails and removes toxins in the body. Some people take it in like water and drink it to detox. So every single one of these have so many purposes, uses, and benefits. Now, moving on to xylitol. Xylitol is very sweet. It's like a natural sugar. It's actually derived from plants, and it's not some weird chemical, which does sound very chemically. Anyways, xylitol prevents bacteria from sticking to the teeth. It prevents infections, cavities, and plaque. It's derived from the fibrous parts of plants. That's just a little background. One of my favorites, activated charcoal. A lot of people know now in the health world, holistic health world, activated charcoal whitens teeth and also rips and removes toxins from the body. It could be also used as water filtration. There's a lot of information regarding activated charcoal. You could all of these ingredients are safe for children. I actually made a small bowl for my child. Coconut oil. All the Moors out there know exactly what coconut oil is, and so many benefits of coconut oil. Well, we'll just say it facilitates the absorption of calcium, which helps build strong teeth. So that's another reason why I'm using it. It's such a great detox. You can use it for oil pulling, which I like to do every once in a while. Just put like a teaspoon in your mouth and then just swish it around, not too hard, but just let it pull maybe for like 10 minutes. You're going to pull so much bacteria, because a lot of the bacteria and infections and a lot of illnesses and sickness actually stay in your gums and mouth area. So yeah, don't make you think twice about getting drunk and going to kiss the first girl you see in a bar. But coconut oil is awesome. And then, coconut oil can also be used for digestion and so much more. As you can see, the activated charcoal takes a lot of control over the color. It won't be gritty, but I will let you guys know right now that it won't be some fuzzy stuff foaming up in your mouth, like the chemicals do in regular toothpaste. This is just going to clean your teeth, and it'll be just like saliva coming out of your mouth. And but it's not abrasive or abrupt or like annoying. So right now I'm already adding some flavor to this dish. I'm just adding some orange essential oil. I mainly just put that in there for some taste. But I did, I can't let you go dry. So just on some side tips, orange essential oil, that is anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and also an antidepressant, according to a study. Oh yeah, peppermint oil, that's also for the minty, beautiful, refreshing taste. But I have to say, you can use it for teething, you can use it for ADHD, you can use it for skin and hair. It's beautiful. I mean, there's so many ways you can use that. I actually used it for my son because he's teething, and he's like smacking his teeth, and it's like, oh, this is such a cooling sensation. But you can eat the ADHD and put it on your nose. It helps you focus better. So there you go. My favorite. I can't say enough about oregano oil, so I'm just gonna roll down the list of just the abilities. Antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, antiparasitic, antioxidant. Yeah, so you can't go wrong with that. Matter of fact, you're going in the absolute right direction with that. I mean, like, some people don't understand or hear God's call, but if you're using oregano oil, you hearing God. You hearing God pretty clearly, if you ask me. But you know, I'm just the eternal T. So you just stir it all up, and you gotta taste it. You know what I mean? A little grit, I felt a little grit right there, and not too much flavor. I feel like I'm just coconut oil, activated charcoal, and diatomaceous earth. That's basically what I'm thinking. I'm like, well, there's something to balance this thing out. So, let's add some orange. And this is all, preference. Every single time. Sometimes I even add turmeric. Now, turmeric is very good for joints, bones, and also brain development, brain health, memory. So yeah, it's all preference. Whatever you feel like you need or you just want to add, it's great things to have in the morning. And I'm just adding some essential oil. So just let you guys know that you're a chemist in the lab. Have fun with it. You're just a earthly chemist, Stir it all up. So yeah, I'm basically all done here. I just wanted to let you know, see, this is all child safe and child beneficial, honestly, thoroughly. So this is just the bowl I'm just putting in there for my son, because he has to have the good stuff. But that's it. This thing has been awesome. I'm Ashara. Tevin, that is. Ashara L. That was very fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I'll be having some more of these and some more entertainment for you. But wait, there's more. Bonus! This right here is the bonus. I'm going to be adding some 35% food grade hydrogen peroxide to some distilled water, about 2 ounces. What I'm going to do is make us some mouthwash. And if you check the ingredients, or if you do a little research, you'll find that most of the mouthwashes have one of the favorites, oregano oil, in the mouthwashes. That's why they have that sharp, refreshing taste. So, and when you do taste it, you'll be like, I know this flavor. So when you make this, you'll be able to understand. You'll be able to recognize exactly where it comes from. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I actually just used some of that mouthwash right before I made this voiceover. Oh, but I wanted to give a small recommendation. I haven't done this yet, but maybe add some orange essential oil or something flavorful to the mouthwash, so then you can have a nice little mouthwash flavor. I only drink sip of just a little bit and then swish it around my mouth. It's very good. Very powerful. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and world peace. You got one body, take care of it. Thank you for watching this channel. Love, light, happy water, high vibe. See you next time. Thanks. Peace.